1, 2, 3, go. Come on, baby! Everyone, welcome back to Miami Miles. My name's Mickey. In this episode, I've got something extremely special planned for you guys. That's right, guys. Today, I am on the water. I am at my Keys house. A little surprise for you. Back here, we've got a set of toys, right? We'll disregard this thing over here. That's kind of irrelevant in regards to my need for speed. But as we go down here, we'll see two lime green pieces of plastic sticking out of the water. That's right, guys. You guys know exactly what that is. So let's go down here and tell you exactly what we're looking at. Look, this is the Yamaha GP1800R. And right here, you'll see that the lid here has a supercharged label, indicating that this indeed is a supercharged engine. It produces, just to give you some context, 250 horsepower out of its 1.8 liter 4-cylinder Yamaha engine, which is absolutely insane because it propels this thing 0 to 60 in sub 4 seconds, at least for a professional driver. Now, obviously, I'm not a professional driver. I'm not really even a jet ski guy, but I do have these two things. So I wanted to immerse you guys exactly in how these things drive. They are so damn aggressive. Like, it's so hard to convey just how much torque something like this has. But honestly, the moment you click that accelerator, which is right there on the handlebar, it pulls you with such force. And it's as if it's gonna throw you off the back of the jet ski. Like, I know those of you that have ridden jet skis before, you probably see this all the time and you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you've never ridden one of these things, the experience is so exhilarating. It borders the McLaren 600 LT, the 765 LT. Those cars, honestly, they pale in comparison to how fast these things accelerate. And then when you start going really fast on the water, the sensation of speed is unlike anything else. So the purpose of today's video is I want to show you exactly what it's like to drive one of these things fast. I've also brought my draggy. I'm going to make a couple attempts at a 0 to 60 run to see if we can get this to go sub 4 seconds, something that I was unable to do with the GT3, as you guys know that have been following me forever. So anyways, let's jump on this thing, show you what it's like to drive it here out of the dock into the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and then we're gonna do some 0 to 60 runs. Anyways, let's go. And so it's pretty simple to get off the dock onto the thing. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put the key here in the ignition, and we're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. There we go. You'll see it starts up in neutral right there. Let's go ahead and flip it around. So it's already in forward, it's already giving me a little bit of gas. Let's go ahead and go out of the canal here. All right, guys, so here we are in the canal exiting. I'm about to go towards the Atlantic Ocean. Now, as I exit out at about 4 miles an hour, right there it says 0, but I am moving, as you can tell. I'm in forward gear. The surroundings are absolutely breathtaking. Look at this, guys. Look at those houses. Look at that thing. And that. And that. Honestly, man, down here in Florida, there is just some serious money. Like, what do you guys think that this guy over here to my right does? I'm about to drive by. He's sitting on about 4 acres on the water. His pool has a built-in mountain, or what appears to be like a built-in mountaintop with 3 lighthouses. Like, who needs 3 lighthouses in their backyard? It's absolutely breathtaking. But check it out, guys. Look, you'll see right here like a little inlet where they park their cars. Here's somebody driving in, and as we go a little bit further, you'll see the lighthouses. It's like a little windmill and lighthouse over to my right. So look right there, guys. It's the lighthouse. Hopefully you see that right there. And in the back, you'll see like a whole mountain-like scenery that they've built around the pool, which is absolutely insane. Like, I'm dying to see what that house looks like inside. It's probably ridiculous, but guys, this is absolutely breathtaking. Honestly. Anyways, here we are. We're almost out to the Atlantic Ocean. All right, guys, so now we're out in the Atlantic Ocean, and the first thing I can say is how serene it is to be out here. Like, today might be the most beautiful day I've seen all year. Not a single wave. It's gonna be the perfect day to run this thing hard. And I'm not gonna lie, I already came out here earlier. I was able to hit around 72 miles an hour. So doing a couple 0 to 60 runs should be the least of our worries. But the first thing that you notice is just how smooth these jet skis are on water. Like, they ride so damn effortlessly. Like, what do I even compare this to? It's as if I'm literally gliding on a piece of glass. Like, look at this. And watch as I give it some more throttle. There's 30 already. Ah, I'm already going 30 miles an hour, guys. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So what I want to do, guys, is I want to drive out a little bit farther so I can actually give this thing the beans, because we're not allowed to go that fast over by these properties over my right hand shoulder. So I'm gonna drive out there. I don't know if you guys see those boats. There's a key out there, and beyond the key, just about everybody races their jet ski. So I'm gonna head out there right now. All right, guys, so I'm about to do a 0 to 60 run real quick. Let's see what this thing does it in. Let's see if the Draggy will even record, because I am moving. Let's find out. Ready, set, go. Oh, baby! 60 miles an hour. What was that? What'd we get? What'd we get? So it measured 0 to 30, but it looks like I hadn't quite hit 60. All right, let's try that again. Wow, what an experience. So here we are, stopped, 0 miles an hour, neutral. I'm about to hit a 0 to 60 run. The Draggy is on. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What an experience, guys. Oh, 5.4 seconds. I bet you I can speed that up significantly, but we got 5.4 seconds on our first run. Wow. All right, let's try that again. Guys, I don't even know how to convey how crazy this experience is. Oh, it's just like this thing is so damn fast. All right, it's ready to go. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, that felt super fast, guys. Wow, 4.93 on my second 0 to 60 blast. Dude, this thing is so damn fast. Let's see if we can get another one. Like, maybe we're not gonna get sub 4s, but we're gonna get pretty damn close. All right, so we're in neutral again, 0 miles an hour. Make sure this little pocket is closed. 3, 2, 1, go. My goodness, what did we get on that run, guys? It felt really damn fast. No, it wasn't. It was only a 5.59. It's funny because the 0 to 60 time on this damn jet ski is exactly like the car. You need to get a perfect launch. I'm gonna try it the opposite way to see if I can get another sub 5 second run. So, oh man, look, it's getting a little bit dark out there. I wonder if it's gonna start raining. Let me run this back real quick. All right, let's run this back. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Oh my God. What a blast, guys. 5.52 was that run. Jesus, this thing's fast. Getting off the line, it's not terribly fast. It's a lot like a car. You know, it kind of bogs down a little bit. I wish it had kind of like a launch control, because then it'd be so nasty. From 30 to 60, it probably does it in 1 second. All right, I'm gonna preload it, put it in forward. Ready, set, go. Oh, that felt fast. What do we got? Yeah, guys, 5.85 seconds. Guys, look, a lot like the GT3. Oh man, I'm really struggling on the damn launch, but I was able to get a sub 5 second 0 to 60 run, not knowing shit about jet skis. Like, guys, I'm not a jet ski guy. If you're a jet ski aficionado and you're looking at me right now, you're probably making fun of me because I'm terrible at this. But it's not about how fast it is 0 to 60. It's about the experience. Like, you don't get this on a car on the road. You really don't. Because on the road, it's like the speed, you're insulated from it with the car's windows, with the car's insulation. Even in the GT3, to be frank, you don't get this level of adrenaline. Like, honestly, I talk about in the GT3, it's as if somebody stuck you with a needle full of adrenaline like crank. This is as if somebody stuck you with a needle of meth. Like, when you pull that accelerator and you feel those G-forces pushing you backwards, the vehicle feels like it's gonna fling you off into the deep blue ocean. Now guys, unfortunately I have to cut this vlog short because look, there's a storm coming in and I don't want to be caught in the middle of the storm, in the middle of the ocean with nobody around, in the event that something happens to me. And that would be quite terrible, as I'm just trying to make entertaining content for Miami Miles here. Anyways guys, look, what's my summary? Per usual, I don't really come up with anything at all that's beneficial for the viewer besides pure entertainment, but the summary is, this is a hell of a C-mobile, whatever you call it, a C-Sport device, a C-Sport mechanical instrument. It is out of this world fun. And for those of you that have never been on one of these, go right now, or I don't know if you're nearby water. If you're nearby water, go right now and rent one out as soon as possible. Feel what 250 horsepower feels like on the water. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed that episode and that little tour here in the Keys. Yeah, go down below, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Take care.